Alright, so I'm going to show you guys really quickly how we use a slicer. A slicer is a necessary program you have to take your STL file or other three-dimensional file and put it into code that a 3D printer can understand. So there's a couple things we want to look at. One, we want to make sure that we don't have the detail too high. This is the normal detail here, 0.2 millimeters. So when we select it, that's what we're going to be going with. And infill, normally it's between 10 or 15%. There might be special cases where you go higher or lower. Okay, let's just put it 10%. We don't need anything like a brim or anything like that. Make sure we're using PLA. PLA is the material that we're going to print with for most of the course. It's really cost-effective, cheap, but effective material. Okay, so I'm going to import my STL file. Select the Lego Dragon button. Okay, see here. All right. Now, you can move it wherever you want on the print bed, but it has to be within the print bed. If it gets off of it, right, it's not going to work. But this here fits comfortably. All right. Now, let me show you something if I slice it. Okay. So you see here, it'll give us the time, about 27 minutes. It'll also give us things like how much filament are we using. So it uses about, what, 4 grams. But if we were to print this, I guarantee this print would fail. The reason why is that the printer would try to print these in midair, and gravity would simply pull this filament down as it was coming out, and the print would be a failure. So what we could do then is just to turn on supports. So I'll go ahead and exit this. Up. All right.